Hey, you guys, I was just chatting with someone about something and this gave me an idea. There's something I want to show you that I think you will find really, really useful while you're here at Sheridan. I am on the Sheridan College homepage at sheridancollege.ca, and if you go to library, which is right underneath here, right underneath where the link is, so library, so you click on library, and then if you scroll down, whoops, if you scroll down a little bit, sorry, I don't allow cookies very often. So, okay, scroll down a little bit and you see this button. I don't know if you can see my mouse, but this button, there's a row of buttons under the search box. It's the first button, databases. So if you click on that and it opens up in a new tab, it's just what it does. But if you scroll down here, there's a sort of, get my mouse out of the way there. And let's try that. So there's a sort of index here. I don't know what's hiding it. Did I hover over something? Let me just do a quick reload. I'm having cache issues. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. But if under here, there we go. This might just be bad CSS design. Under here, you'll see there's letters for different, it's like an index like you'd find in a book. You read books, right? So if you go all the way over to S, right there, if you click on S here, and then it jumps you down to S, and the one you want to look for, I'm scrolling down, 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 down. How far down do I have to go? I'm looking for SK, SK. There we go. Skill port. You click on that and give it a second. This is one of a couple of repositories of books and videos and other helpful stuff for learning. Let me just see if I can zoom this down a bit so we can see more. And so if you, for example, want to learn HTML, you can search for it. And this is my home computer. The website's not normally this slow. There we go. It's also because I have the recorder running in the background. So there's all these textbooks. Some of them show up as videos as well. So there's all these different books and videos and other resources that you can find. So let's say, for example, you're interested in this first one. You can click on launch. And many windows. It opens up in yet another window, and this might take a while to load, but you can read the book in here. Again, because I have big fonts, I have to use a different monitor when I use this application because of the font size. But you can see the table of contents and you can start reading. You can actually make this bigger. Up in the top right corner is this maximize button, so it makes it a little bit bigger. And you can actually read the books. While you're going through these books, you can bookmark stuff. So you'll see there's places here up in the top left where you can bookmark, leave notes for yourself, etc., etc. So that's one of them. These you can also, one of these allows you to add this to a learning pathway or like a bookshelf kind of thing. It might be if you go to where it says launch, these ellipsis buttons. Don't buy anything. You've already paid for all this stuff. Save. I believe it's save. So you can save it and then you can create sets or categories. So you can create a new set or you can, if you're looking for stuff for web development, for example, you can call it web dev because you might put CSS and stuff in here too. And you don't have to worry about the rest of this. And then down here, you can click save, and that way you can come back and find it whenever you want. So back on the front page, there's this learning plan. So you can come in here. I've actually been using this to learn Node.js, and this is a really fun book that you might want to check out in second year about design patterns. Anyway, so you can sort of look at the different categories. There's web dev. See, and there's the book I just added. So that's one really cool resource that you might find useful. There's another one. I think it's now under lynda.com. So I clicked on L, and it's going to be near the bottom somewhere. Oh, there it is, LinkedIn Learning. Lynda.com and everything is now LinkedIn Learning. So this is another one that you can go into, and you can just ignore that. There we go. So LinkedIn Learning, same kind of thing. You can browse and search for topics, and this one has a lot more videos So there you go. There was a third one. It used to be called Books 24/7, but they changed the name. That might be what Skillport is now. But anyways, there's two that have lots of good technical resources that you can use for, if you need an extra book or a different way of learning something or a different way of wording something. There you go. Cool? Cool.